Is there a button on my TV that I can press to select OK?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that may sound simple but is essential for operating your TV seamlessly: how to locate and use the OK button on your TV remote control.
What does the OK button do?
Firstly, it's important to understand the function of the OK button on your remote. This button plays a crucial role in navigating through your TV's interface and confirming selections. Whether you're changing the channel, adjusting settings, or selecting a show on your streaming service, the OK button is typically used to confirm your choice.
Where is the OK button usually located?
Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Where is the OK button? The OK button is typically located in the middle of the navigation or arrow keys on your TV remote. It may also be marked as Select, Enter, or sometimes even just a simple middle dot, depending on the brand and model of your TV. Remember, all remotes are not the same. If you can't find your OK button, refer to the manual that came with your TV or search online for a diagram of your specific TV remote model.
How to use the OK button?
Using the OK button is straightforward. Press it once to confirm a selection. For instance, if you're using a menu on the TV and you navigate to a particular setting or option, pressing OK will select and confirm that option. The OK button may also have other functions depending on the context. For example, when you're typing in a search bar using an on-screen keyboard, the OK button often serves as the Enter key. In conclusion, the OK button on your TV remote is essential for navigating and making selections. It's typically found in the center of the arrow or navigation keys. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to consult your TV's manual or look up a diagram of your remote online. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Enjoy your TV viewing experience.